Today I will be talking about NANOSKIN AUTOSCRUB Pro Starter Kit. So here's the box. So it says it comes with either AUTOSCRUB 6-inch, either medium or fine grade pad. So that's this one. So I decided to get the fine grade pad. Then the hand strip applicator. So let me take that one out. So that's that. So you can put it like that. Then this one. So this is the clay pad, or the similar to clay pad. This is the main reason I got this one. So either you can use it with like this by hand. I'm going to when I'm doing mine, I'm just going to use this by hand. I do have a rotary machine. I think I'll be a lot more comfortable using this one by hand at this point. So let me put these things away. Then the Glide Instant Detail Spray, that's this one. So another reason that I got this particular system, so this is, as you can see, I wonder if you can see it, it's 7:1 clay. If I'm using AUTOSCRUB, that's what I have. I'm going to use a 7:1 ratio, or if I'm using clay, that's kind of deceiving with this. I mean, if I'm using a clay lubricant, that means if I'm using a clay bar, it's 10:1. Instant Detail Spray, 10:1 as well. So most likely I'll be using 7:1. So I have another product from chemical guys, clay lubricant, but it is just out of their can and it is very costly. So that's the reason I got this one. So I'm gonna put that away. Then Nanoshock Hydro hydrophobic lubricant. So that's this one. So you can use this also. There is no this one, you don't dilute this one, you just use it as it is. So this you can use it as is, even for as a clear lubricant, but I think I'm just going to use this one as my spray and wax sealant in between washes. So I'm not going to use this one today. Then rain prep. Okay, there is the rain prep bottle, so I'm going to put that away. Then there is the rain glass sealant, so that's this one. Not familiar with either one of them yet, but I will figure out how to take care of those things. Then the NANOSKIN detail. Oh, this is the detail apron. I missed one more thing, so I'm just going to put that away. That just the apron, and the other one is the rain glass demo kit. So that's this one. So what's in there? Not sure. So I am not sure exactly how to use this one. May have to do a little bit of research, a little bit of reading instructions. So I'm just not going to worry about that today. Close it, put it away. Okay, so I'm going to put this one too. Then it also came with all of these spray things. So I assume this must be going into, one of them is going to Glide, one of them is going into this Nanoshock thing. So that's those two. Then I believe one of these, no, they're all long ones, so I'm not sure why there are so many of these things, and these as well. Well, anyway, I can certainly use all of these things for different projects. So that's what's in the box. So I believe this could be going into this one, but I will be diluting this 7:1. So that's what's in the box. So I'm going to use this today along with my the fine grade clay pad. That's this is the whole new technology, nanotechnology, AUTOSCRUB. So I'm going to use that one and this little the applicator. So I'm just going to use that one today. I got this one at the moment. I think it's about $86 or $96 on Amazon, and this was on special. I got this one for 40 some bucks US, so it's well worth it, the whole kit, especially using this glide thing 7:1 ratio, so I can use this one for a long period of time compared to using Chemical Guy's product. So that's the product, what's in the box. So I'm just going to apply today, and in another video so you can see how it's working.